So one of my friend made this incredible tool that cleans the PCB of mobile or any microchips very nicely. Put some liquid before we go with this tool. It's mostly a thinner or some kind of alcohol, and go with this tool. He is using this tool to clean the mobile circuits as he got the mobile repairing shop, and it helps him every time when he is working with the IC. So the idea behind this tool is this such kind of glue remover. Cut the sharp part of this needle and place the plastic cork, and then take a toothbrush and take the brush part, place it on this machine, and it's ready to use. By changing the bits, you can use this machine as glue remover too. So this way he got the multi-tool with little bit of changes. So if you got the mobile shop and want such kind of machines, make it yourself easily. And okay, hope you like this video and sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.